Present. Yes, good morning. See, we were doing constraints and one more constraint was remaining, that was foreign key. And last time I have explained you the meaning of that. In last video, we have discussed like what is foreign key and all. And today we are going to discuss that how we are going to create a foreign key. So we will take yesterday's example only, and with the help of that only we are going to create the foreign key. So the very first thing is your primary table must be created first. So your primary table, suppose I am making create table. Okay, first I need to use any database. Use trial. Okay, then create table. Then name of the table. Suppose I am writing here STU. And then first is GR number. I am taking here integer. Plus I am making it as a primary key. Then second one I am taking name and varchar. Suppose I am giving here 15. I'm not taking more values because our aim is to understand mainly the how to make foreign key. So like this, you can have multiple columns over here. Then after this, I am creating another table. So it is create table. Instead of STU, I am making here marks. And then first is your marks ID. As I have discussed with you that in this particular case, we are going to make marks ID as primary key. Then second one is, now see this GR number I want. Okay, and what I want over here is GR number I wanted to create over here as a primary key. Sorry, foreign key. So what I'm going to do in this particular case, first of all, I'm going to declare my GR number over here. So for declaring my GR number, I will write something like this, GR number. Even you can change the name, it is your choice. And then see, it is compulsory whatever its data type over here. Over here it is int, so it is compulsory that here also you are going to take it as int only. Then close this. Then for example, I'm writing 5 subjects name. Subject 1, integer type, subject 2, then again integer type, then subject 3, again integer type, something like this. Then it is closed. Acha. Then after this, what I wanted to do, I wanted to make it as a foreign key. So for that, you have to simply write here comma. Now see, I'm writing in the next line. This is the mistake I had, and I'm making this again. Bracket was closed. So see, after S3 integer, now what I have to do? I'm going to write a keyword foreign key. You have to be careful for the spelling foreign key. Then after this, in this particular table, you have to write which column name you wanted to make as a foreign key from this table. So from this table, it is GR number. So we will be writing GR number. Then after this, another keyword is references. Even you have to take care of the spelling. Now for references, you have to tell which table, means the name of your primary table. So your primary table name is STU. So you will be writing here STU. Then in bracket, see, you have to write your this particular column name. So here also it is GR number. So we will be writing GR number here also. Bracket close, outer bracket close, semicolon and enter. You can see it is working perfectly. Now if you will see the description of marks. See, you can see over here, it is given over here MUL. Okay, MUL, whenever it is given, it indicates that it is a foreign key. Now we are going to do some plus and minus in this. First of all, anyone any doubt with this, that how to make foreign key?
Ma'am, repeat once again.
See, this line, actually only this line is new. Okay, so what you have to do, first you create your table, how you are creating. After that, what you have to do, first you are going to write foreign key. Then from your this is your secondary table. Na? So from secondary table, which column you wanted to make as a foreign key. For example, this one I wanted to make as a foreign key. So this I will be writing here. References means now from where the reference will be taken. Okay, so I am writing here. This is the name of my primary table, STU. And then inside STU, this is the column name whose reference I wanted to take. So therefore, what I have done, I have created this GR number as a foreign key in the secondary table. Clear hai? अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, दिस वॉज योर प्राइमरी टेबल, ये प्राइमरी टेबल थी और ये आपकी सेकेंडरी टेबल है. सेकेंडरी टेबल में आपको जैसे सेकेंडरी टेबल बनानी थी, यू हैव टू मेक लाइक दैट ओनली. फिर उसके बाद में फॉरेन की आपको लिखना है. फिर सेकेंडरी टेबल में से जिस भी कॉलम को आपको फॉरेन की बनाना था, फॉर एग्जाम्पल जीआर नंबर को बनाना था, फिर रेफरेंस कहाँ से लेकर के आ रहे हैं हम लोग, तो ये हमारी प्राइमरी टेबल का नाम है और प्राइमरी टेबल में ये वाला कॉलम है. तो लाइक दिस यू आर गोइंग टू राइट. I hope this is clear. Okay, and once this is done, here it will be MUL. You can see by default you can even insert null values in the foreign key. Foreign key में चलेगा, but in the primary key will be not allowed. Now suppose if I am going to insert any value, insert into my table is marks and then values. Just check, I think anybody's camera is on. Okay. Insert into marks, then values. Then you see, I will be getting error, but I wanted to show you that I will be getting error. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why I will be getting error? Any one of you? Those who have attended class yesterday, they will understand why I will be getting error if I will be entering this record. See, I got the error. Now I'm asking that why I will be getting error. Yes, Prince.
Because that doesn't exist in the primary table.
Again.
Because it doesn't exist in the primary table.
Yes. See, yesterday only we have discussed that if you wanted to insert any value and if it is a foreign key, it must exist in the primary table. यानी 2 आप insert कर रहे हो, 2 is not existing in the primary table. It means first you have to insert in the primary table. It means first I'm going to insert. I'm now writing insert for primary table. Insert into my primary table was, you can see here STU, one integer value and one name. So insert into STU values, and now you can see if I'm adding here 2, and then I'm giving here value name. Suppose I'm writing here John. See, working, and then now I'm simply inserting this record also. So it is also working. So this is what the property of foreign key, that it must exist in the primary table, then only you can do it. Fine. Now the second thing is, this was with respect to insert. Second thing is with respect to delete. Now suppose you have inserted this. Now you have inserted this. Now suppose I wanted to delete this second record. I will be able to delete second record from the primary table. What do you think? Chalo, fine. I'm inserting one more, then we will check that. I'm inserting one also. One and Ron. Okay, this is also inserted. I wanted to delete from STU, where then GR number is equal to 1. Will it be allowed or not? What do you think?
Yes, ma'am.
हो जाएगा allowed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, it is allowed. Okay, now I am deleting 2 also.
Will not be allowed in the marks, right?
See, again it will be not allowed. 2 क्यों नहीं allowed हो रहा? Because it exists in the foreign table. Now it exists in the secondary table. So Because it is, see, this is what the benefit of giving references. Now by mistake also I cannot delete this value from the primary table. Okay, and every time you will see the reason is because of the foreign key. You cannot delete or update the parent row. आप update भी नहीं कर सकते. It means if this 2, yesterday also we were discussing the same thing, fine. If this 2 I wanted to change, I cannot change. Yani, suppose this 2 I wanted to make as 3. Acha, first I am going to insert one more record. Insert into STU.
Ma'am, if we want to delete, we have to use the marks table.
You have to delete it from the marks table first. If you will delete from the marks table, then easily it will work. Okay?
Then it will be automatically deleted from the student table, or
No, not automatically. Not automatically. Until or unless you will not give command, it will not delete. You have to give the command. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now say insert into STU values. I am giving 1 also. 1, and then I am writing here, suppose Jerry. Okay? Select asterisk from STU. See, now what I wanted to do, we know that 2 is already there in the table. Now first I will update this value, then I will try to update this value. So update STU and then set GR number is equal to, suppose I am giving here 50, and then I am giving where my GR number is equal to 1. Now see, it will work perfectly. Query okay, working. Same thing I will do with GR number 2. Allowed or not allowed?
Not allowed.
Not allowed. Again, the reason is I cannot update because it is existing in the parent, it is existing in the secondary table. Okay. But if you will delete from the secondary table, for example, now I'm deleting from the secondary table. Delete from marks where GR number is equal to 2. Now see, GR number 2 is not there. Okay. Now you update second record. 8 seconds. It is primary key, so this I cannot make 50, but I'm making this as a 55. But what you have to understand that it is working perfectly. Now you can update. If you wanted to delete, now you can delete also. For example, delete from STU and then where my GR number is equal to 55. So you can see now it is working. So this is what you have to understand, the concept of the foreign key, because like from this particular topic we can have so many cross questions. And now as your question was that if it automatically update or if you wanted to automatically delete, okay, if this is your requirement, then when we are creating the table, at the time of creating the table, we can add one line on delete cascade या फिर on update cascade. Means cascading if you want at the time of deletion or at the time of updation. So it will reflect automatically. Okay, so if you will use that, then only it will work. Otherwise, automatic one will not work until or unless you will not do it manually. See, we have not written anything over here on delete cascade या फिर on update cascade when we have created the table. You can see over here. We have not written anything. But once we have created this, after this we can write, after GR number bracket close, we can write on delete cascade या फिर on update cascade. In that particular case, then it will work automatically. Clear hai? Okay, fine. Today you have to do practice of foreign key. Okay, then remaining points we will continue later on.